Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. Somebody emailed me a question. I don't even know if I know how to pronounce this. I didn't even know what it was. I'm going to say sine wave, but to me it's like sound waves. And I had to look it up to see what it was. Well, they want to do it around like a 4-inch coaster. Doesn't really matter what size you start with because you can always reduce it in size. So I'm going to go ahead and make a 4-inch coaster. I have my ratio locked there. Now what you immediately need to do is go up to Object and convert it to a curve. Then, surprisingly, get out the Distort tool. But when you do this, you want to pick on Zipper, and you don't want to do this one first, you want to do this one first. So you want to find out the frequency, which is kind of ironic. And then you can click over here and make the adjustment for this. And you could go, as sharp or as little as you want. And then right here is smooth distortion. And look at that. And then if you want more, you can just go a little more. Now you could actually do this. Now it's 4.4 now, but you could go back with your ratio locked. And if you're gonna, let's say you're gonna put it on a 4-inch coaster. Let's just draw a 4-inch coaster and make it 4 inches. Hit P, put it in the center of the page. Go ahead and put our wave in the center of the page. And then while holding down the shift button, just bring it in till it's in that center. And then of course, if they're gonna engrave it, they want to make it black and want to make it something other than a hairline. And there's another way to do this with the polygon tool, and that's how I originally thought about doing it. But this is pretty easy. Anyway, I hope that answered his question, and thank you for watching.